Hello everyone. Today I'll be unboxing the Raspberry Pi 5 8GB variant along with some accessories. Let's kick off our video by exploring what we've...
First up is the Raspberry Pi Active Cooler designed for the Raspberry Pi 5, followed by the camera module for it. We also have the Raspberry Pi 5 8GB model, a micro HDMI to NMI cable, an IC extractor, a microSD card, and an Ethernet cable. Let's delve into the box and see what's inside. Basic puller. Camera module for Raspberry Pi 5. Raspberry Pi 5. Ethernet cable. Micro HDMI to ABA to over SD card. Active cooler for Raspberry Pi 5. Let's take a closer look at each item. Starting with the Raspberry Pi 5. This 8GB variant boasts a 64-bit quad-core ARM Cortex-A76 processor running at 2.4 GHz, which is approximately 2.4 times faster than the previous generation. It features one Ethernet port, two USB 3.0 ports, and additionally, there are 40 GPIO pins, a PCI adapter, a USB power cable, two micro HDMI ports, and a dedicated power button. Moving on to the active cooler for the Raspberry Pi 5. It's equipped with 3 thermal pads on a heatsink positioned beneath a fan. Next on our list is the IC puller, essential for easing the process of removing ICs from a bread button. After installing the active cooler on the Raspberry Pi and setting up the Raspbian OS on the SD card, here's an image of me configuring the Raspbian OS. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask. Also, if you're interested in learning more about electronics, you're in the right place. I'll be uploading new informative electronics videos on a daily basis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.